quick at night. Do a short run. See what happens. So I'm noticing from the mirrors, I see anything from the side mirrors. There we go. The thing is, I can't tell what gear I'm in. I know I was in 4 or 5, so I'm gonna have to count them. Cars behind me. So from the plexi, see that the glare on the visors definitely prevents me from seeing the side view mirrors, and that's the glare brought up from the display. So I have here on the display, I have my GPS or iPhone showing my GPS. This car pass. All right. Have my speedometer. Right now I have 4 on the roll off. Full moon there. Got 4 on the roll off. 1 on pedal assist. 12 miles an hour. Here at elementary school. So I can do the turnaround. Head on back. Left it at 4. Turn your signals, put a brake on. Look, I don't see anything. Going out. There we go. It's still a 4. It's at a good rate. Feel good about it. GPS is good. Everything else is good. There's some folks watching. Alright. Seems good so far. Lights are shining up good. I can see what's in front of me good. Above. Right. Coming up here 18 miles an hour, looks good. Sees me. That's good. Brake. To complete stop. Start accelerating.